Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. In this video, I want to talk to you about 3 simple ways that you can start earning passive income and do it online and do it like a total boss. So if you've come online and you want to become a total boss of your life, you want to fire your boss, you want to get rid of your job, maybe come online and start earning passive income, I want to give you 3 real simple ideas that you can use. You can get started right away and you can get them up and running quickly. Now, before we do that though, hit the subscribe button. That way you get, and hit that bell option, that way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with on a daily basis. Now, you've come online and you've heard all maybe the great things about creating passive income, and you can do it online. But I need to tell you that creating passive income online takes some effort, it takes some work. You can't just like start, one day and just say, boom, I'm gonna do this and start earning passive income. It takes a little bit of effort to get it up and running, okay? But once you get it up and running and it gets working, then you can earn very good passive income, from the effort that you put in, okay? So just understand that going in. There's really no push button option, but I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can, utilize these online and start making money. Now, the first one is going to be really the easiest one, and that's going to be through a series of blogging. Okay, you can set up a WordPress blog and you can start writing articles. Now, you might have heard of blogging before, and you might have said, well, blogging is crazy. And the truth is that blogging takes time, it takes effort, it takes a lot of creativity to get it set up. But the best thing about blogging is this: is that Google is the #1 search engine online. It's the absolute first place that people come to. When they come online, they go to Google and they type in how to do stuff, whatever. I mean, like how to do this, how to do that. They're searching for different things. They're actually searching for solutions to problems. And if you create a blog that's all geared around solving a particular problem, Google is going to rank your website in their search results. And then what happens is if somebody comes there and they search for a particular problem and they're looking for a solution, if your website comes up within like the first page, your link, and then people click on that and they go to your blog and they go to your article. Okay, so on your blog, you're basically going to be creating content that's going to be solving a problem. Okay, so blogging, if you're going to blog and just write a blog about yourself and you're going to write a blog about your journey, that's okay. What I like to do is I like to create blog posts around a particular problem that people have, and I give the solution on the blog. Because if they're searching on Google and they come to my blog and they read my article and I solve that problem for them or help them solve that problem for them, then Google's going to send me a ton of more traffic to that website. Now with blogging, you got to really be consistent with this. You got to do it almost daily, and you almost have to do it daily for the next couple of years before it really starts to take off for you. I know it's probably not what you want to hear, and I know you want to start today and you want to start crushing it, but you could be blogging the next couple of years, and really it'll start to take off after all the links get inside of Google. So what you do is you set up a WordPress blog and you start writing articles, and you start writing articles daily and be consistent with it. And then what you do is you put in your affiliate links inside of these articles. Now, how does this make this passive? Well, if you write an article today and it gets put into Google, that article will be sitting on the website. It'll be sitting on your website forever, as long as you keep it up there, and Google constantly be sending traffic to that. So people come to your site, they read it, they click on your affiliate link, they go buy the product or the offer, and then you make money. So it's passive because you could be out doing whatever you're doing. You could be at your job, or you could be at traveling, you could do whatever you want, and you're still generating traffic, and you're still generating people clicking through your affiliate links and making money. Okay, so that's gonna be the first one. The second one is gonna be YouTube videos. I know you're probably thinking, well, YouTube videos, I don't want to do that, but I'm telling you, it's one of the best ways to do right now, and it's the future of the internet. Right now, YouTube is still in its early stages, and you look at all of the cable cutting. People are dropping their cable and they're just coming online. They're coming to YouTube and they're looking for entertainment. They're coming here to look for solutions. YouTube is owned by Google, and Google loves to outrank YouTube videos over all websites on the internet. So that is a huge advantage to you. So what you do, well, you do the same thing you would be doing with an article. You find a solution to a problem that people are searching for. When somebody searches either on YouTube or they search on Google for a particular solution to a problem, and you create a video around that, solution, or that, that problem that people have, they come there, they see that video, and they click on your affiliate link in the description. Okay, so you create a video, and you can do it just like this. You can either talk into the camera like this, or you can use a screen sharing program like there's Camtasia. I use ScreenFlow for my Mac. So these are really good programs that you can use. Now, all you do is you can create slides, okay, with pictures and text, and you can use ScreenFlow or Camtasia, and you can basically record the screen as you're talking through the slides. Google Drive is free, and you can use the slides program inside of Google Slides. So you're just going to create a video with slides, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to be solving a particular problem. Now at the end of the video, you say, hey, click on the link below this video, and that's going to give you some more information on how you can take this to the next level, or how you can get more information on solving the bigger problem that people have. Now, how does this make this passive? Well, basically what happens is people, you put on that video out there, and then people will always be able to search that video. That video could stay on YouTube for the next 20 years or 50 years, or however long YouTube's online. Once you create that video, it's online, it's searchable, people are looking at it, they're finding it, they're clicking the links, and they're going to your affiliate offers and clicking on your affiliate offers and hopefully buying the product through your affiliate link. Now, this is going to be something that you have to create videos on a consistent daily basis, and you have to get out there and do some research on it. This is not going to be something where you can create a couple of videos and then hope for the best. It's just not going to happen. There's way too much competition out there. You have to be consistent, and you got to be always creating new stuff and putting it online. But once it gets online, once your videos are out there, they're passive, they're generating clicks and traffic and all that good stuff, and you make passive income. Now the third way, and this is my favorite way, is going to be through email marketing. If you have a blog and you have videos, you could send people to a landing page. They get onto your email list, and then you can have an autoresponder series that could go out for the next year, could go out for the next 2 years. I have a particular autoresponder that people get in, and then it goes out an email goes out every day automatically for the next year. Just every day it just goes out. And so why is that passive? Well, those emails are being sent to the people that are on that list every day for the next year. I mean, I don't have to be there. I don't have to write an email. I don't have to do anything. All I have to do is drive people to a landing page, get them onto to the email list, and then I can send them information about products. I can send them information about different services that I have, and then it's driving people to a sales page, a video page, and then that's bringing in income. That's passive income. Okay, so that's the three ways. The first way is going to be blogging. You're going to use Google SEO to get traffic to your article content. The next one is going to be video. You can use YouTube, create a video, and then put it out there, and then you'll start to generate traffic and clicks to your affiliate offer. And then also email marketing. You're going to have an autoresponder series that goes out for the next year. And then inside that autoresponder series, you will have links to offers, affiliate marketing, maybe your own products, whatever you want to do, but it's passive because it just goes out every day and it sends people to your sales page or your affiliate link. Okay. So there you go. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. So this is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.